Need to cash out from Robinhood? Here's exactly how to withdraw your money safely and quickly. Start by opening the Robinhood app and tap on the account icon at the top right corner. Now, go to Transfers. You can also search Transfer here at the search bar. Then select Transfer to your bank. You will see your available withdrawable cash. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Select your linked bank and hit Submit. The money will usually hit your bank in a few business days. If your funds are not available for withdrawal, it might be because they are still settling. That can take a couple of days after selling stocks. Have you had delays withdrawing money before? Share your experience below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.